Sente Machinery is one of the most important companies in Turkey, which was established by three forward-minded engineers who bravely stepped into this sector in the year 1994. In a short time, with our high-quality management and forward vision, our world standards matching machines reached all over the world from our 6,000 square meter factory found in Istanbul. We are the most distinguished factory which supplies most of the needs of HVAC sector with our high-technology machines. Our goal as Sente Machinery is enriching the sector with value-added and most economic machines. Because customer satisfaction is important to us, we managed with our machines to reach America, the heart of technology, and China, the core of industry, and we are proud to be their first choice. We also export to more than 40 countries, from Europe, Asia, Middle East, and neighboring countries. Not only the profit, we as Sente Machinery always try to leave our signature with our new machines in this market by looking at the existing technology and taking it to a new level. We are the first manufacturer who produced high-frequency stitch welding machine, servo-controlled spiral ducting machine, and automatic self-flanged rectangular ducting machine. Beside the mentioned machines, we also produce plasma cutting machine, spiral duct machine, and automatic rectangular duct machine with another 45 different machines. By following the growing technology and with our researches and development, we succeeded to produce machines that are dependent on imports with our skilled staff and their efforts. Having patents and design registration for our machines increased our production capability. We will continue to reach our new targets with your confidence, and we will always be on one step ahead in this market. Sente will keep moving from the developing and productive Turkey. Sente with every breath you take.